Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at question 339, nested list weight sum. The way we'll be approaching the solution is by using DFS. So let's jump right in. We will be returning the result that we get from the DFS method. Let's call it helper. And you're passing in two things. You're passing in the nested list, and then you would want to pass the current level itself, which starts with 1. So that's what you will pass in. The new DFS method helper, as we said, takes in the nested list, and you also have the current level. Right. Let's initialize a new variable, call it result, that would keep a track of the sum that we have so far, and in the end you would just return the result. Return res. We will use a for loop to iterate through all of the nested integer in the nested list that we get, and let's call it current in nested list. And as soon as we have we start with the first iteration, the thing you check is that, hey, is a current thing that we're looking at, if it is an integer, you would add that to the result. You'll get, let's first get the integer itself, dot get integer, and you would multiply that by the level. Yeah. If it is not an integer, we know that it's a list, so you would send this back to the helper method. Current dot get list, and the level would now increase, so you would say level +1. And after this for loop is done, you know that the sum has been added to the integer res, and it should return okay. So let's quickly run this and see if it's okay. Current dot get integer. Wait. Alright, so the first test case passes, everything else passes as well. Alright, so let's quickly talk about the time and space complexity. The time complexity is of n because we would have to iterate through the entire nested list once at least, since we're using the FS, and the space complexity is also of n because you would have to keep a track of all of the stacked recursive calls that you have. So that's the solution. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If there are any questions on LeetCode that you would like me to solve, also let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.